I'm just going to show you. I went ahead and removed all of the leaves from the stems, and I ended up with almost, well, pretty much the same amount on each tray. So I filled 2 medium Harvest Right trays, and now I have 2 more remaining. So we are going to go ahead and go. I just got done doing the 3rd harvest this year of our oregano bed. This is nothing but oregano. This side and this side is Italian oregano. I'm not quite sure what the center one is. It could be Greek oregano, it could be spice. I don't even truly know. But when I bought it, it just said oregano. So, but I do know that both sides are Italian. So I will go ahead and take this in. I will wash it all up and we will get it in the freeze dryer. All right, so this had quite a bit extra time because it finished overnight and I had it set for quite a few hours. But we have oregano and cilantro that got done last night. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it put away. So I had to show you my little gadget that I ordered off of Etsy. It is a 3D printed funnel for a medium size tray. And now I just gotta make sure that I'm actually grabbing the right. Yes, this is oregano. So we're just gonna take a gloved hand and crunch them up. These will be used in our Chileno pepper canning. And this is the 3rd harvest. The 1st harvest was small, but this is the 3rd really good bunch. All right, so now we're just gonna come over to the funnel. Oh my gosh, that makes life so much easier. Alright, I'm gonna have to go get another, looks like 3 more trays of oregano. And there's an oxygen absorber already in this one. So let's go ahead and screw that lid on. Alright, so we finally have a full quart jar of fresh oregano from the garden. Alright, so we've got a new canning jar. Next, next tray. Oh gosh, it smells amazing. Last year, I had one plant, or actually, sorry, I had multiple plants, but not enough to take care of all of our Chilenos. We planted 100. Sorry, we didn't plant 100. We harvested enough Chilenos for 162 pint jars of Chilenos. So as you can only imagine, it required quite a bit of oregano. And let's see, put that there. Rest for a second. Anyway, my thought process at that point was, this is ridiculous to like have to buy big ginormous jars of oregano to be able to can the Chilenos. So I said, all right, well, next year we're going big. So I planted an entire bed of oregano. If I had to guess, the bed's about 2.5 to 3 foot by maybe 4 to 5 feet. It's perfect for the amount that we need. And at least I believe so. All right, so that last 2 trays, one of them wasn't really full. So what, we got like a third or a fourth. Let's see. Yeah, it's between a third and a fourth of a quart-sized jar. But now look, we have 1 full quart jar and we have another partial. And we are barely even into the growing season. So I'm gonna have quite a bit of oregano this year. Super exciting. So I'm gonna have to go get another jar and get that filled up with the cilantro for our salsa. So we are back here. I have oxygen absorber already in this quart jar. And now we have our cilantro. Oh gosh, it smells amazing. Literally, this is gonna make the process so much easier for salsa. Like having it already done, and all I've got to do is decide how much I want to put in, is gonna be amazing. All right, so wow, look at that. One big ginormous, there was quite a bit. It was on a heavy layer on the tray. So that's nice. We got 3/4. So I like to reuse the lids when I'm not actually requiring a massive seal. There's an oxygen absorber in here, and we will be using this up. So this is cilantro. And then this one is oregano. And we will go ahead and put these in the cupboard out of light. And these will be used up by the end of this season. Okay, so I got my funnel from Galactic 3D Empire. Really nice guy, came super fast. So yeah. He did send me a message to let me know not to put this in the dishwasher and to only hand wash it, which, I mean, it's easy enough to do. No need to throw it and waste electricity in the dishwasher. All right. Well, I hope you found this video interesting and helpful, and come back for the next one.